Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we created our about service. Um, yes, we created our about service layer. Now we're going to continue with the other ones, and I'm going to copy and paste and fill them up quickly. Let's start with view, category, category service. Let's make it category, category. All right. Let's copy the category. I'm going to use it too much. Get all this. Category, display model, category, and category repository of the projector. Perfect. Yeah. Now add category again. Perfect. Category, category, entity, category again. Category, category, category. ID, category again. Hold on. Yep. Now let's fix the update methods. Let's do the category ID. Yep, this one is going to be category as well. And category. Update about. Update category. Requests. Change this one. This is going to be category again. Change that about category and all done. Yeah. Let's finish. Let's fill the interface now. Category. Category. Delete category. Category update. Get category by ID. Update category async, category update remodel. It must be okay. Let's have a check. Let's see if there is a problem. No, it's alright. Good. Control RG, we cleaned. Alright, Control S. Let's continue with the contact. Let's copy from category. No, that's one. Yeah. Continue with the contact. Contact service. It's going to be contact. Let's copy this one. We will need it. Contact list view model, project to contact list view model. Let's add EF course. Contact list view model, add contact async, contact add view model, contact here. Again and again. Yep, it's done. Now delete contact async, contacts. This is going to be contact. Hold on. contact update vmodel, get contact by ID, contacts, contact and contacts. Yeah, this method is done as well. Let's fix the update method. Update entity. This is going to be contact. All done. Let's fix the. Let's fill the services. This is going to be contact, and let's copy this. Yep. Add contact async, contact add vmodel, delete contact async, contact update vmodel, get contact by ID, update contact, and contact update vmodel. Control RG, Control S, all done. Let's continue with the home page. And collapse definition again. Let's open this too. Okay. Home page. Home page service. Copy. Home page. Home page. Home page list view model. Home page list view model. EF core has been added. And return home page list view model. Perfect. Let's change the name. Home page. Home page. And again home page. Very good. Yeah. Request. It's going to be home page again. Add method is done. Let's continue with delete. Where is the select method? Did we forget to do this one? No, we forget to select, copy and paste, I guess. Let's have a look. This is select method. Yeah, forget to add this one. Okie dokie. Home page copy again. Delete. Home page. Home page. Home page. And a home page. Yes, update method is, sorry, selecting method is almost done. Let's finish the update method now. Homepage update vmodel. Alright, perfect. Let's collapse the definitions. Home app page, the name is broken. Let's fix this name. Alright, perfect. Let's copy from here. Home page. Let's copy the name. Home page. Control dot. Add namespace. Perfect. Home page, home page, home page. 10 times of home page. Again and again. Hold on. Now update method is going to be fixed. Must be done. Let's have a look. If there is a error or mistake, there is a red line here. The name is wrong again. What I'm doing, guys. Home page. Hold on. Yeah. Control RG. Yeah. All good. Let's copy for the portfolio. Report homepage, yeah. Portfolio. No, we copy and paste the wrong place. We must copy here. Now it's good, yeah. Portfolio service, copy the portfolio. Start convert. Yep. Portfolio list. Portfolio list remodel. And add EF core. Add portfolio. Portfolio, homepage. Portfolio again. Portfolio. Delete homepage. Portfolio. Again, portfolio. Alright. Let's fix the selecting method. Portfolio update remodel. Why we have an error here? Portfolio update remodel. Interesting. Let's have a look. Remodel. Portfolio update. Portfolio update remodel. No, there is no problem here. So why we have error here? Portfolio update remodel. Interesting. Let's delete and write again. Portfolio update. It's really interesting. It's not recognize our remodel. Yeah. No. Public class. Is there a problem with the namespaces? No. Portfolio list. Portfolio update. Then what's the problem? Portfolio service. Task. Portfolio service. Portfolio service. It's really interesting, guys. Let's have a look at the namespace. And do the verification remodels portfolio. Portfolio. Yeah, that's the problem. Yes. All good. Portfolio update. Delete it. Write again. Portfolio update. Remodel. Alright. Let's continue. Portfolio. Why it's not recognized? Portfolio update. Another mistake. Update. Yes. Must be done, I guess. Portfolio update. Perfect. Now, go portfolio by ID. Is there any problem over there? Portfolio. All done. Update portfolio async. Portfolio update. Very nice. Portfolio. Okay, what's the problem now? Okay, portfolio homepage. Yep, it must be portfolio. Very nice. RG. Let's go to interfaces. Oops. What are those errors? Hmm. Must be an interface. Let's add entity. Yes, perfect. Uh, Copy portfolio. Add portfolio async. Portfolio add remodel. Delete portfolio. Portfolio update. Get portfolio by ID. Update portfolio async. And the last one is portfolio update remodel. 101. All references is done. And portfolio service, there is no error. Perfect. Let's save all, close all tabs. Let's clear our screen a little bit. Let's have a look how many minutes. It's 17 minutes. Half of them is finished. Let's finish this lesson here. I don't want is 30 or 40 minutes. We can continue with the rest of them on the other lesson. Take care of yourself, guys. See you later. Bye bye.